These two trades were both taken. Well, the first one was taken on. Actually, yeah, they were both taken on January 23rd. Wait. Yeah, both taken on January 23rd, 2018. They should actually be a reversal, so we can get rid of this. What is going on? I don't know why that's over there, but okay. Anyway, so these are both losses. This was taken kind of overnight around 45 and about 45 a.m. to 12:45 a.m. And from a longer trade perspective, we can see that price had kind of been moving in this channel. So I had established this as the trend line, but price had been accepting this zone, right? It had been accepting it as a significant level. So once price showed some signs of reversal, I took the trade up, and I took a buy trade with the anticipation of price going all the way up here. Now this is very interesting because I was very wrong here. I took the trade just before just after this candle formed. So I think it pretty much just at 1 p.m. or 1 a.m. Now, in my head, I was thinking, realistically, this wasn't very much of a signal. It shows, a little reversal candle. Now, what's very important is the reversal candle plus the candle that comes after. That's very important. But the candle that came after indicates uncertainty in the market. So what I really needed was a bullish candle here, preferably a mild bullish candle. But that would have been enough for me to accept that trade. But I didn't really get that. So I determined that since this is a significant resistance level, I just took the trade here and I bought it in here and set the stop out. And as we can see, very soon after I got stopped out. What I had initially wanted to do, even though I didn't really have time to do this because I needed to go to sleep, was to wait for this candle to complete. So in the future, if I see a situation similar, that's exactly what's going to happen. I will have to wait for this third candle to complete to give me that signal. So there are some cases where I'm very aggressive with taking trades like this, but from a long-term trade, absolutely not. If I'm going to be aggressive, it needs to be on a shorter, more scalp-like trade. 13 to 31 risk reward was a 13 tick loss. Nothing insane, but keep in mind I am using 2 contracts, which mentally is slightly annoying. Okay, so this trade was on the Euro USD. Actually, let's start from the 1 hour. Okay, so the Euro dollar had kind of been trending a bit, trending sideways after a long push up, and then keeping in mind that the federal government has shut down. Overall, from a very, very long time frame, I was kind of bullish, but since I'm taking trades on shorter time frames, that's not really what I had in mind. So let's go back. Sorry. Okay, so this has been trending, and we can kind of think of these as significant levels from a longer time perspective, right? Bop, 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 bop. So I anticipated this price here to pretty much be another, as I am thinking of it, bop. I had been busy earlier in the day, so I couldn't even take this trade earlier in the day. But um, I saw price here, and I really anticipated a push back down to at least these levels. So I took this trade. It was, I think, immediately after a supplemental SI session. Looked at the market and I said, hey, you know what? Market looks like it's gonna push down. Just again from a longer time frame. But I was wrong. The market pretty much immediately decided to push up against me, and I think I set my stop at just outside here, so really this should be on this candle. Again, I started as a 13 to 21 risk reward. It was a 13 tick loss, and the market completely took me out. And we can see that the market is trending up. Very straightforward. Yeah. So that's it. Let's think. Again, the reason for me accepting this trade was really just the way overall the market was kind of looking, right? Except in these are the tops. We're gonna go down, make one a top in like this zone, or in this case this zone. Then we're gonna go down again. So that's kind of what I anticipated here. I did notice that it was kind of forming a little bit of a trend in the sense that the lows it was making higher lows, right? Not significantly higher, but still higher lows, and that is kind of relevant, right? If we go on the hour, it might be easier to see, right? Kind of making higher lows, right? Do 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 do. So it kind of anticipated channel going up higher. Perhaps I should have anticipated a trade where it went down a bit more on the bullish side, but it just seemed reasonable for me to continue that short trade after such a notable short movements here. Yeah, that's it. And these are 60 and 61. Great losses.